The last chapter is the fifth, the LPC 2148 embedded system, designing for that the embedded system. The first embedded system, that means we will show that in that the embedded system, the ARM based system design, clock circuit, reset circuit, power supply, IDA, and that the example for that the embedded C programming, that means the interfacing of that the LED, relay, optocouplers, and that the development for that the embedded system for that the temperature, humidity, pH, or that the displacement measurement. First we will show that the power supply. In that the power supply, LPC 2148 works on that the 3.3 volt power supply, whereas the LM117 can be used for that the generating 3.3 voltage supply. However, the basic principle like that the LCD motor driver IC works on that the 5 volt. So the AC main supply is converted into the 5 volt using below that the mentioned circuit. After that the LM117 is the used for that the convert the 5 volt into the 3.3 volt. In that the block diagram for that the power supply given below. In that the power supply, whereas that the circuits for that the power supply, LPC 2148 is the pro development board, is the powerful development platform based in that the LPC 2148 microcontroller with that the 500 112K on chip memory. This board, that means the power supply powered is that the does not need that the external power supply. It is the ideal developing embedded application. That means the on chip peripheral and that the external hardware on that the development board are interconnected using for that the pins and the heaters and that the jumpers. The input output pins on that the microcontroller can be accessed from that the 50 pins male header, and that the direct access for that the input and output pins enable you to connect your own devices very easily processor. The board is made up from that the double-sided PTH PCB board, and that the provided for that the extra strange to connected joint to that the increased reliability. Also, the technical specification for that the microcontrollers LPC 2148 is the 512 on chip memory, where crystal is the 12 megahertz, where crystal for that the RTC is the 32.768 kilohertz, where 50 pin burger header, and that the wireless modules adapter, whereas the USB type B connector, and that the 10 pin JTAG connector on that the programming and that the debugging, the real time clock with the battery holder. There is the 2 analog potentiometer connected to that the ADC, 4 user switches, 4 user LEDs, reset and that the bootloader switches, whereas the 3 volt cell for that the chip RTC, whereas the on off switch. Also the board buzzer interface for that the communication and that the serial interfaces. There is the many problem that the power supplies. The next, this figure is the transformer. Also it is used for that the step down 230 volt AC to 9 volt AC supply, and provides the isolation between that the power grids and that the circuits. The rectifier, it is used to that the convert the AC supply into that the DC supply. The filter, it is used for that the reduce the ripple factor, whereas the DC output in that the available from that the rectifier end. Then next is the regulator. Their regulator, it is regulate that the DC supply output. The circuit shows that the regulator IC7805 is used for that the provided fixed 5 volt DC supply. Now we can see that the LM117 for that the generating 3.3 volt supply from that the 5 volt using below that the circuit. The next circuit is the reset circuit. The reset buttons is essential in that the system to avoid the programming pitfalls and sometimes to manually bring back the system and that the initializing mode. Whereas the circuit diagram for that the reset as shown in below, the MCP130T is special IC used for that the providing stable reset signal to that the LPC 2148. Then next is the clock oscillator circuit. In that the oscillator, the heartbeat are provided using that the crystal and are necessary for that the system to that the work. That means the ARM TD7 based microcontroller, the value of that the capacitors C20 and the C21 depend upon that the frequency of that the crystals Y3. That means general diagram for that the shows below the equivalent circuits of that the oscillator. It provides that the clock for that the RCT operation, whereas the we can get present time details using that the RTC. It gives us the time as well as that the date information. The RTC clocked by that the separate 32.768 kilohertz oscillator and gives for that the continuously keep track for that the current time. Whereas the RTC is powered either by the main system power and that the separately by battery backup in absence of that the main system power. In that the RTC needs to the running continuously and it should be provided with the battery backup in case of the main system power failure, otherwise it can be lose the present time of that the information. Whereas we can easily program the RTC with the current date and time information in case of that the lost time and the date information due to the power failure. But this is not the feasible solution in that the real time system. Once they are deployed into that market where there are many times of the continuous task and the timely decision making for that the important. In such case of the RTC must be not fail. This makes for that the battery backup. Also inbuilt of that the LPC 2148, the clocked by that the separate and that the oscillator by the programmable prescaler, whereas the APP clock. It maintains the calendar and that the clock and that the provides seconds, minutes, hours, month, year, day by week, day by month or day by year. It has the power supply pin that be connected to that the battery and that the main 3.3 volt. It uses the little power in that the power down mode and most important for that the alarm functionally.